Page for the what's in the box challenge. I usually don't take it out because if you know it's in shed. If you know about snakes, it just will be a lot brighter than this. I'm surprised he even holding it. What's good, y'all? We just finished the hoop session. We finna do another YouTube video. Finna do what's in the box challenge. So if y'all want to see that, just know it's gonna be up on YouTube within the next 2 days. I probably post. I don't know if I'm gonna post this first or that first. I probably post that first. So just know it's up there. Nah, but we finna go to Walmart. We finna get everything. So far, we got one item. And I'm gonna show y'all when I get out because I'm gonna bring it in the store. You going in the store, right? Oh yeah, just going. We're gonna go in the store. I'm bringing it in the store with us. I need some. I got no damn. Oh, what my Carmen? I'm about some.
Probably fail, like usual.
You probably lost it. I'll lose that, bro. I'll lose them.
I lose everything.
If y'all don't know who I'm with.
Yeah.
Cold.
Nah, this ain't nothing I got hang with them.
You do that shit every time, Cole. Look tight as hell. Nah, but
shit, what we do? What? 5?
We might prank Jersey later. If y'all don't know who Jersey is, he gonna be in the vlog later on. We thinking about getting, like, you know how they do the water in Walmart, like get like 8 cups of water and then just I don't know if it's gonna be a full video, but I might make it a short or something like that. But besides that, I don't want to wet my car though. That's the only bad part. We should do it in your car.
Fuck no.
You got leather seats.
I mean, yeah, but still, I don't do this shit in my car. Name my video.
I need to get a tripod. I need to get a tripod. That's what I'm getting.
I thought you already had one.
I lost that shit.
This nigga. That's why
I'm holding this shit. I could have put this bitch down.
What happened to that one?
What?
That one.
That was an old car. I don't feel like holding this. I'm not gonna lie.
Let me see.
I'm gonna let you vlog.
Alright, so we vlogging with your boy Cole. Oh shit.
Make sure you hold it right. Make sure you're not zoomed in.
Yeah, I know how this shit work, man. How y'all doing? You know. We got this Walmart here. We got this. Look at this. So we got this Walmart. I remember a significant memory of this.
Oh no, it's park.
No, we gotta walk.
Park on that side.
Right there.
I don't want to walk though.
Nigga, the closest one's right there. This nigga over here fucking with
your face, your ugly ass.
Look, bro, I don't know what else to look at. Look.
This shit not focused.
There you go.
You gotta pay attention.
There you go. Look at him. Look at him.
Can't go that way.
This shit by Thorough TV.
They underscore Blicky. If you know, then you know. I say that shit every 5 seconds. If you know, then you know. If you don't, then you don't.
I don't see what I look like this.
Love you as hell. Catch up with Zell. Cause you fine as hell.
This nigga park close as a bitch.
She said, anything for my favorite lady.
What's up, homie?
Pass
Should we tell him now? Can we tell
I'm
him?
gonna check it out.
I bet.
I don't want them to see him in that box.
And then you in jail right now.
Come on, bro, man. I just don't want people walking up to me. Damn, this shit. Sorry, mama.
You on the wrong part.
Sorry.
Look right here.
Sorry.
Look right here. Look.
Hold on. I hope they don't think I'm talking. Make sure they know I'm not talking about our girl. I'm talking about that Piper. The only reason it looks so light, I know. I'm taking it out for the. I only took it out the cage for the. What's in the box challenge. I usually don't take it out because it's in. If you know, it's in shed. If you know about snakes, it just will be a lot brighter than this. I'm surprised he even holding it. This nigga usually scared as hell. All right, come on. I'm gonna turn the camera off until I get in the store because it's raining. I just need to focus. It's raining, so I'm gonna turn the camera off until I get to the store. All right, we're gonna get back with y'all. Yeah, I gave Cole a snake to hold, and he gonna let it go inside his arm. It's inside his thing, and he over here shaking.
Bro.
Look at him. Bro. I put that in there. You want vlog?
It's in my arm. I'm hoping she. No. Leave it. Yeah.
You can record yourself. You can switch around like between me and you.
Look, see. Hang on. Let me show you a little something.
It's not gonna see that. Make sure you do that.
Yeah.
It's not gonna see that. Don't do all the extra shit because I'm gonna have to edit it out.
Oh, okay.
But make sure it's on, like, keep it on you, but keep it on both of us at the same time.
Oh, I don't know. Hang on.
Keep your arm up so you won't fall. And when it come out, let me know.
All right, bet. Say less. So, how y'all doing on this fine evening? We vlogging. This motherfucker's up in my arm right now. You know, chilling. We got this shit on our head. You know.
Your head. Don't say ours.
On my head. You know. Nigga, I was talking myself in third person anyway. You know. I ain't gonna cap, gang. Hey, I kind of like snakes now. This shit kind of cool. This motherfucker just chilling on my arm and shit.
That's literally all it do. If you want something that's just gonna sit there, nigga, pick it up. You want talking?
I can't see you.
Nigga, put your shit.
Oh, piece of fuck. That's my shit.
Get your hand from there. Get your hand from there. Hold it on this side. Yeah. Yeah.
I can see now.
Nah, but like I was saying, yo, you pissing me off. Now turn it, cause now I gotta edit all this out. This nigga wanna do bullshit. If you actually want a snake that's not gonna move, get a ball python.
A bull python.
Ball python.
Okay.
I got a corn snake.
But it's a python though.
No, that's not a python. No, it's not. It grows like 3 feet. Nigga.
I guess.
My niggas keep looking at us like.
They looking at me, I promise you.
No, it's cause they.
Oh, well, you got 1 and 2.
And you got the camera out, and you got the thing on your head.
Yeah.
Okay, hold it up. Yeah, good job. Not up, but like.
I know, nigga. Hey, nah, I like this shit.
Oh, they got clears now.
Oh, they do?
Start vlogging yourself. Are you like vlogging? That's what you're saying?
Nah, I kind of like having the camera in my face though. It's looking cute. Like a cute ass nigga with this shit on my head.
I'm trying to do something where I can actually eat after.
Alright, we show down? We show down? We show down?
Y'all just do this? This would be good. Oh, you think they would tweak on that?
What?
Touching it?
Oh, no. I do just feel like, bro, what is this? What is this shit?
Yeah, I'm gonna get this.
Type shit.
I'm gonna eat it too.
I'm gonna eat it. That's what that nigga Rick Ross said.
I'm fucking up my shit, cause I don't feel like editing and all that.
I ain't fucking up shit. You know how it is, gang.
Folks keep looking at it, bro.
Why you so worried about people looking at us? Oh, that's making you scared? Shit, look at me. I don't give a fuck. I'm walking on this shit on my head. Am I not supposed to, nigga? It's okay. But who got the camera? Me.
Cameraman.
I can't get you in it.
I'm looking for something.
Oh, she's coming out my sleeve.
Get about pack of hot dogs.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Are you
supposed to be in the video?
I am in the video.
I'm looking at everything.
You keep asking me questions.
Come on.
Hey, open up my sleeve.
No, she gonna come out. Trust me. She wanna get up. I think this should be good, right?
I think she put her whole body in my shit now.
Okay, leave it.
Oh, no, she didn't.
Just keep your arm up. Don't be selfish with the camera.
You said keep your arms up, but don't be selfish with the camera. There you go.
You think it's good? I got this.
Nigga, stop asking me shit if I'm in the video.
No, you already seen this, so.
Well, obviously. Hey, look, but this is why I got my head. I got this on my head. I can't really see a lot of shit. I only got one eye.
You finna do some.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we just donated to the, who was it? Some drug addiction? Some people that is drug addicted.
Addictions, anger management, suicide.
Shit like that. Donated. It wasn't much, just donated a little bit. They want to touch the snake and stuff. But we finna go straight to this raining. We finna got my camera out in the rain. It's crazy.
I know you're cold, bro.
This nigga is treating the snake like a baby. Look at him.
Look, bro, this motherfucker fuck with me more than you now.
At him, cuz. Close my name. Get in my snake. I got a snake. We went in for a tripod. They ain't had none. But I got the items for the. Got these. Did I tell you about the last item already or no?
Huh?
Did I tell you about the last item I'm about to get?
The last item? Besides this thing. No.
Okay, good. I told him. I know y'all heard me tell him. He just don't remember.
Oh no, then I do know.
What? Say it.
Oh, it's the mouse.
Yeah. Might just get. Should I get that one or not?
You should
I'm
get
good about it.
Or I mean,
Because it's gonna be in there anyway.
Yeah. Just to get fed to her.
Yep. Just to get fed. I don't know if I can show that on YouTube, but actually,
Yeah, you can.
when I feed it, I'm gonna cut it short.
You don't have to.
Nah, I
you
ain't
can
gonna
feed
show
it.
I ain't gonna show it. Put that on there.
Put that.
Put it in there. Put it in there. Put my food in there. I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat most of it, but so that's gonna be the other items. Bro, I was gonna wait till Zay got in the car, but he gonna say J. Cole better than Lil Wayne.
He is. Look. I could say you better strap up with that latex, because you don't want that latex that I think I'm latex. I could say that. That's some lyrical.
That's one thing,
That's
though.
lyrical ass
That's
shit.
one thing.
I know. No.
He said millions.
That's
not millions, but
I mean,
hundreds.
yeah, that's lyrical shit. But when you listen to Cole, when he say lyrical shit, he's speaking about something.
Like what?
About really about.
I don't.
the
I
youth.
try to
If you
listen to him.
K.O.
I don't like nothing.
If you listen to KOD, he was talking
You know
about.
what song I like from him?
What?
It ain't nothing like that first. It's time. She was alive.
Okay, yeah.
Look, yeah, that's the only song I like about him. Anything else, trash.
Oh, you came out the other side of my pocket. 2014 Hills, that was his shit. Now KOD, when he dropped that was about the politics, the youth, the black people.
These names, the names of the
the
songs?
youth. No,
What is these?
this is what he was talking about on KOD, about that whole album. Like,
I don't have to name no Lil Wayne songs. Everybody know. I gotta name one song, a million.
Okay, I can name one J. Cole song.
We go.
Role Models. No role models.
Okay, that's a good song. I'm not gonna lie. See, I ain't gonna lie if it's a good song. That's a good song.
Shit, there's another one. What was it? Fire Squad.
Even one of his songs that seemed like he was playing around. It's a song called DJ. You know that song?
I don't.
Go DJ.
Oh, yeah, that.
I'm a DJ.
Yeah.
Let me name another one. Some of his old. I really like his old music. His new stuff be alright, but I like his old.
See, that's the thing. Cole.
He got so many though.
Cole's old music and his new music is still the
His
same.
new, he be getting carried.
Who he getting carried by?
Dirk carried him on
He
that
don't got
last.
no fucking features on most of his albums.
Dirk carried him on the last one.
When he do, the features be like ad libs or like a hook or some shit, or like they'll come in with a fire verse and Cole come in at the end spitting some fucking shit. This nigga was talking about shooting a motherfucker in his mouth, saying now he got hot teeth or some shit. I don't know.
He got hot teeth.
That shit. Look, bro. When it comes to Cole, that nigga's gonna kill you lyrically. Wayne will too. I can't
only saying that because they got the same.
No,
name.
I'm not. I can't disrespect Wayne, but when it comes to Cole over Wayne, I'm choosing Cole.
Crazy as fuck.
That's how it goes. Oh, I'm not supposed to show you. Hang on, gang. You gotta go back.
Oh, just close it. He gonna be in the back. Let me make sure. Should he sit behind me or you?
Who's gonna look behind? Oh yeah. Go back though.
Where should he sit? We ain't forcing the snake to go up there. It's going up there itself. And if it was forced, it's mine anyway. Bring your lame ass outside.
Yo.
Bring your lame ass outside.
Oh, you outside?
No, that's what I just said. Alright, that food. I want more food.
Stop licking me.
She's not licking you. Fucking.
She's sniffing. That time.
What? Hurry up. I gotta go. I gotta be somewhere.
I'm coming.
Oh, no. I don't even know that laugh. But y'all don't understand how tired I am. I haven't had a full night's sleep in like 3 days. I gotta go to Raleigh. I do not feel like going up there. Watch. It say it end late. Watch it be even later than that. Every time
they're gonna sit around and talk.
Then they're gonna be like, don't leave on the floor.
What did you learn today?
Nah, it be helping though, but
I can say that.
it be helping though.
But they'll want to be like, what did you learn? Oh, you didn't learn about this? What about this?
I can't be put on the spot like that. I can't be put on the spot. You gotta give me like.
That's what they do. They put me on the fucking spot every fucking time.
Comfort zone.
We sitting over there like, bro. They be like, the first time it was like, what did you connect with? Respectfully, I ain't connect with a goddamn thing. I was just sitting over there learning some shit.
Why didn't you say that?
Because I couldn't.
Talk long enough.
That took long enough.
Yeah, you gonna get this video? You come back here? I gotta come back this way. I live over here.
You look like?
Basically.
Shit, I was gonna go back to my crib.
I gotta ask you a question, gang. I gotta ask you a question. You hear me?
Hell yeah.
What's good, y'all? We at the pet. Focus. I look so dark. We at the pet store. About to get this mouse. Oh. I'm gonna get a, oh damn. Ain't no handle.
What's up?
I'm gonna get a mouse. I'm just gonna get the container she gave me. Forgot about the container. It's gonna be a good little video. I don't want him to know that that's what I'm getting. So I'm gonna actually try to just slickly put it up in here. What you holding your stomach for, nigga?
Come in and shit. I'm like,
Close that. I tried to hide the container and shit. They're gonna see when I get there, but I don't even know if I can hear my hands over the speaker. They're gonna see when I get this thing though. What's up?
I'll run 360s around it.
Oh, my camera. I hope I got the battery in the car because my camera's gonna die. It's gonna die while I'm recording. I'm gonna keep it going though. I'm not gonna lie. It's fine though. But I'm gonna get back with y'all so I can make sure the battery in the car.
The feet up still has like this.
Oh, you want it right there? What's up, cuz? It's like he just told me again. Like, oh, that is his problem. That motherfucker just scared me a little bit. I just had to turn the camera on to show that. What's good, y'all? I'm currently off my phone. We just finished the What's in the Box challenge. He ain't, like, I'm not even gonna say nothing. Just go watch the video, and y'all gonna see. Y'all know what he is. Y'all gonna put it in the comments what he is after y'all see it. We gonna see though. But we couldn't get the grand finale. One thing, y'all know what I said earlier, what I had, just know it got lost in the car. Again, second time in like 2 months. Cause of... What's good, y'all? This currently the next day. I'm currently on the way to get these people for the boxing video. I think I told y'all, a few clips back that we was doing this video. And we about to get everybody. Hopefully everybody show up. Hopefully get enough people. It's gonna be some good action though from who is coming. It's hot, I'm not gonna lie. Hold up. Yeah. Hopefully get some good action. But I don't got much to say. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get some people up in the car. Yeah, stay tuned. What's good, y'all? It's later today. We just finished hooping and finished the boxing video. I'm gonna post that probably. What time is it?
It's like 7:20.
I'll post that tomorrow. I'm gonna post that tomorrow. No, I'm posting tomorrow. I got a video posted today already. Oh, it is 7:23 though. Should I post that?
you could. If you edit that shit in no time.
Post it by 10?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm posting one. Y'all ain't gonna see it anyway because I'm posting this last. I'll probably post this by Wednesday.
Oh.
God damn.
They want me in the vlog.
Yeah, bitch. Baby's hit the block.
Everybody a bitch.
Baby's hit the block.
Yeah, it's the vlog.
Baby's hit the block, all that shit.
Yeah.
Yo, blood gang.
Oh, he's wrong. Yeah. Just know he got pieced up. He got pieced up. He definitely lost. You already know niggas wasn't fucking with me. It's cool.
Feel my ball.
I only fought one time. I fought him. He looks short. Stand next to me real quick. Cause every time I got somebody in the video, they'd be tall as hell, like shorter than me. Jared looked short as hell when I had him in my video. I'm not gonna lie, I need a tripod cause my arm get tight. What is that?
Oh, he doing it.
On record? Let me see.
You can do it?
I'm sorry.
You know how to do it, Jay?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ooh, look at this
I'm not gonna lie.
Carter ass nigga.
If I get in the groove, I didn't do this in mad long. I'm not gonna lie.
Who you think smoother with it?
I usually could do that. I just been doing it a long time. Okay, you got it.
Oh,
Moving
shit.
though.
That be spin.
Oh, that was.
That shit would've been alright. All I got,
Let's
what I
see
got?
something.
I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing good.
one hand.
Oh, okay.
Hold it. Damn, Cole.
Nah, nigga, don't spin it. You gonna fuck me up. Hey, you get it off the water.
Yo, nah, I'm about to say because I don't know if
Get it off my.
I don't know. When they left your lighter over there? Over there playing with
Nah.
fire. Young boy playing with fire. I'm gonna keep vlogging because my camera finna die. So I'm gonna keep vlogging until my camera die.
Spin it like that.
Like, look. So look, when you spin it on your nail.
So that way you can still flick it.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
And if you get in the groove, if it's way better. If you like.
And you
get-
see how my,
yeah,
you
yeah,
see
yeah,
how
yeah,
my other finger, this finger supporting this finger.
So okay, bet. Yeah.
That's some
Should I be doing this shit like this? Hold on.
Okay.
Oh no, I can't.
I need it, bro.
Yeah, it took me like a week to learn that.
You spin
We
it
get
over
something-
your
you
hand
got
like that. Spin it like this.
Tree, you get something to eat?
Oh, no.
Don't throw
I got other food at the home.
Come in.
I'm in the crib. You know what hit?
I'm not gonna lie. I don't like paying food. I don't like paying food. I might buy food though.
Okay? Okay? Do what I said. Try to do what I said though.
These niggas ain't hitting on shit, boy. Look at that baby. I still haven't got that snake out, y'all. That bitch still in there.
Watch my feet.
It's in shed. If you got a snake, anybody got a snake, it's in shed, so I don't know when that bitch coming out. I know it's still in there though, cause there ain't no way to get out from inside. Unless it is, and let somebody tell me. It do look bright as hell out here though.
Don't throw so high. That's why.
On camera, it look bright as hell, and it's damn near night.
I look light skin. Hell yeah. Hell no.
Hell no.
Light skin legend. I ain't
But them shorts Cole got hard as hell.
Your word. That's true. My dad is going to hell.
But he can't fight.
He got that grown man muscle. You know niggas get
Not
stronger
even
when
just
they-
that, bro.
25, yeah, 25.
It's
You
not even that,
just
bro.
gained a little
It's
pound of
just-
muscle.
It's his experience, bro. He just broke his hand and punched a nigga in the shit.
It's dark. That's everybody. You hit somebody hard enough, you gonna break your
That
hand.
nigga hit hard as fuck.
Huh?
He split his shit.
He ain't hit him that hard.
Nah, he hit that nigga hard.
He should. If he hit him that hard, he would have killed him. He ain't hit him that hard. See me? He praised his
Niggas usually
dad.
die.
He
if
praised.
hit
You
them
praise
and they
your
hit their
dad.
house.
That's good though. You praise your dad. I'm not praising no man.
You wild.
He praised his dad. Don't worry.
So y'all just ain't got no curfew, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all just out here. Y'all bad as hell.
I was 14 on the.
At least they balling.
Oh yeah, today's Sunday.
Y'all hooping though.
Today's Sunday.
Y'all niggas got school tomorrow. No, they don't. Yes, we do.
It's
Y'all
a,
got school tomorrow? What the fuck y'all
What?
outside?
wait, it's only 8 o'clock.
At least they balling.
My curfew at y'all age was like 10, 11. 11 on the weekends, 11, 12 on the weekends.
I ain't going to the crib by 12.
Nigga, I used to get my phone taken all the time, nigga.
I got my phone taken one time, and that went bad. Cause I remember, I'm not gonna lie, I remember my mom, she checked my phone, and y'all know what she saw. What you think she saw?
What was the last
Nah.
grade you got your phone?
Grade?
Worse, like your first time getting caught.
My
What you
last
think she
grade,
saw?
I got my phone taken.
What you think she saw?
I don't know, bro. I can't call it.
If you don't want to get caught when you was younger, what you think she saw?
If you mom,
And I'm talking about
the
like,
hose.
No, it wasn't her.
Oh, you talking about your mom?
Yeah, she took my phone and she looked through it.
I be weaving them shits.
She saw porn. But you wanna know what I said? I'm older now, so I don't care. You wanna know what I said? I said my homie was using my email. Cause you know your
Hey, look. I
Get used to that shit.
said.
No, I think I saw my homie was using my phone.
I'm not
I
crying,
capped and
bro.
I said I was just like,
It's gonna
shit,
hurt, but I'm
man.
not crying.
I just be watching YouTube videos on my phone. Like basically I do. Oh, what the fuck? And yeah, basically I do work. She was just like,
I get shot.
you do work? I said no. It's a YouTuber. Basically I do work. I be watching YouTube on my phone. She said. So is that why I'm looking at big booty bitches, Latina bitches right now? I said no.
I know one nigga, he got caught because he accidentally casted it to his living room TV. And his people saw it, bro. That was crazy.
I'm not gonna lie. Just from the camera keep connecting to the car, I don't even think it hurt us.
But I think that's when he goes.
We talk about anime, right? We trying to figure out the best anime. I think the best anime is Dragon Ball Z.
Oh God!
Oh God!
It's Dragon Ball Z.
Oh God, you're
Bugging, bro. Me and Dubon going to a little too much.
Can't
But it's not the best.
I can rewatch everything from Dragon Ball Z right now.
Yeah,
What's the first?
It's the first. No, it's not.
What's the first?
My favorite Bleach though.
Bleach?
But the best
The
one,
first anime is One
I
Piece,
know
bro.
the best one.
That's
Dragon Ball Z.
Demon Slayer, bro.
But no, Demon Slayer.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Demon
That's
Slayer?
New Gen.
Demon Slayer hard, don't get me wrong. Demon Slayer is hard.
Jujutsu Kaisen out right
What's
The best anime?
Best anime? Look, right now?
Yes. No, best anime ever.
Oh, ever?
I said Dragon Ball Z.
Oh, ever?
One Piece.
Ever?
He said One Piece.
Ever?
You said One Piece. What'd you say?
What'd you say? Bleach.
Dragon Ball Z. What'd you say? You got 3. What'd you say? Naruto. That's like.
Naruto easy.
Yeah, I said Naruto is like.
Anime.
I feel like if it's not Dragon Ball Z, it's
You
Naruto.
gotta look at the story.
Like
Okay,
popularity wise.
If it's not Dragon Ball Z, it would be
gotta
Naruto.
look-
Popularity because it's popularity. Popularity wise. Popularity like.
Nigga, Hello Kitty is more popular than
Everybody
fucking
not listen. Everybody not gonna know One Piece is. Everybody don't know One Piece.
Nigga, everybody know Luffy. Who the fuck?
No, everybody know not.
Everybody do know. Everybody know Luffy.
Or
Everybody
and
know
Naruto.
Goku.
And Naruto. I don't know. I didn't know Luffy until I watched it.
Everybody know One Punch
I
Man.
never heard of Luffy until I
You know
watched
One
it.
Punch Man?
Never.
You know who One Punch Man is?
Exactly. He put me on.
You know who One Punch Man is?
One Punch Man. That's new though. That's kind of new.
But you
It's
know who he is.
it came out
Everybody know who he is.
That's new though.
Everybody
It
know
came
who
out
he is.
like
Everybody don't know who he is.
It's the new gen.
I didn't know until I looked on YouTube.
I can go
I'm
to
not-
a different
Y'all know who
state right
Chainsaw?
now, different
Y'all
country.
know
No,
what Chainsaw Man?
no.
yeah,
Nigga with the
That
head.
shit is so tough.
I saw it. I didn't watch
That
it
shit
though.
is so tough.
nah,
You know
that
what the
shit is- I never
nigga?
watched
You know how niggas
That's
have?
trash.
You know how MCs have plots and shit?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to be the strongest. You know what his plot is? He
What?
just want to fuck bitches, bro. The Chainsaw Man is literally that's the toughest MC
Oh,
plot,
God.
nigga.
Bro, I
All he
feel
want to do
Chainsaw
is
Man
fuck
so
bitches,
long.
bro.
Oh, God.
That is
So,
tough as
I
hell,
ain't
bro.
finished.
Ain't
I
that
could've
tough
changed
as an
something
anime
like
character?
I never watched it. It's on
Main
Netflix,
character
right? The one on
just wanna
Netflix.
fuck
I just
bitches.
like
That's all he
I just
want
like
to do.
watching fighting.
He don't want to be Goku. I want to beat everybody up. He just want to fuck bitches, bro. That's so
I
tough.
like the fighting.
Goku don't want to beat everybody. He just want to be better.
No, he want to beat the
Fire
fuck out
Force.
of everybody.
Fire Force is
Goku would just want to fight. The sound and Fire
Yeah.
Force is so tough.
The animation.
But we forgetting about Death Note story.
Yeah.
Story Death Note is fucking nobody's
No, I
beating
watched
it.
Death Death Note story.
I didn't watch it. Like,
So tough.
Hey, I'm
And
in this
then,
bitch. I'm taking over the vlog, goddamn.
Full Metal Alchemist.
Oh yeah, Full Metal.
Oh yeah, in the light.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh.
Full Metal
Yeah,
Alchemist.
right, right.
Full Metal
In the light we vlogging. Look at these little badass kids, bro.
I only watched
But what's your favorite shit to watch right now? What's your favorite shit to watch?
What's the anime that had you cried the most?
Dragon Ball
Probably.
Z when I first saw him die.
What? No, that shit was
Nah, when Goten turned Super Saiyan 2, bro,
that had you crying.
that had me crying, bro.
Alright, what
Because
anime
Goten
had
my
you
favorite character, bro. Go ahead.
I don't even know.
What's your
What
favorite shit to
anime
watch,
had you
little nigga? What's your favorite shit to watch?
Like
anime?
Yeah.
No, when Luffy,
Damn. You haven't finished it?
had fast style and stuff. You did.
Damn, you rewatching it?
Yeah, the thing that had me crying, bro, was Sword Art
Oh,
Online.
no. Niggas like Boruto, that's lame.
Naruto.
Yeah, that's what
Hell
that nigga said, bro. You gotta get on him. Get on him. You gotta get on him.
Nigga, it ain't no reason to
If
get
you
on.
watch something called Assassination Classroom,
Oh, yeah.
you fucking crying. Nobody said
No, not crying.
tears,
Not
bro.
crying.
When he died at the end, had
Not
me
crying.
crying.
Ain't nobody said Baki.
Nah, that nigga rewatched.
Bucky's.
Ain't no one.
No, it's hard. No, it's hard, but it's ass compared to all the other anime.
Okay. I don't know. It's tough though. You really gotta get into
It's
it.
not top 10, bro. It's not even top 10.
He said it's not top 10,
top
Cole.
10. It's not top 10.
Baki is top 10.
Baki is not
Baki is
top
top.
10. How is Baki not top 10?
Bro.
Baki is not top 10. How is it
It
not?
is.
Street Fighter better than Baki, nigga.
give
That's a
Baki-
fucking
Street Fighter
video
is
game.
crazy.
Nigga, Street Fighter
No,
anime.
they got an
They
anime.
Man, fuck the anime.
Street Fighter is better. Ryu was fuck up.
Nigga, my nigga
Ryu
Yujiro Hama will fuck that nigga up.
Nigga, Ryu.
Send up Baki, that nigga gonna come with his back up, beat that nigga ass.
Ryu will fuck Baki.
Fuck Ryu and that Hadouken bullshit. Bring my nigga Baki out, that nigga gonna hit that nigga with the...
Who you think?
Yo, you finna leave?
Bro, Ryu is
Yo,
back then,
yo.
bro. You know who Ryu is
Yo,
from Street Fighter?
I don't know who
The
that
nigga
is.
has a Hadouken.
Oh yeah.
We going to McDonald's and Graham?
The red headband from Street Fighter. You never played Street Fighter?
We going to McDonald's.
Bro, yes.
About to get back in the car. Time to go. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why we was. I don't know why we was out there with them little ass kids. Yeah, kids, they cool though. Not gonna lie. They just young, 14, 13, and I don't even know how the little one was. But we finna go to McDonald's. Probably do a little Q&A. He posted something on his story, do a Q&A. So it's really gonna be a vlog, but Q&A inside. But yeah, I told him like I don't know why he told the little kids to go long. That was crazy. But it was cool though.
It was fun. It was fun.
It was cool little kids. It was definitely more mature than me when I was their age.
Yeah.
I look like I'm high.
I don't know,
Just
bro. You
tired.
about to be hungry as hell.
I am hungry, but I'm tired. We're gonna get back with y'all when we get to McDonald's probably.